So starting the test drive in this Charger Scat Pack here, this thing is so quick, so much fun to drive. You have an all-wheel drive system here, so it just makes it that much more agile, especially in weather like this, to get this thing going. And I'm really excited about pushing this thing. And the twin turbo inline six, it just, the way it pulls, the way it sounds, just so much fun. It's such a just awesome car in general. But the overall space in here is good. I like the feel from behind the wheel, and it really goes to show just how good of a job that Dodge did with the Charger EV. This feels just like the Charger EV, and just the sounds, the overall pull, just the feel in general. I feel like I'm in a Charger EV. I just feel, you know, like I'm still in that car. Obviously I have a gas powered engine, I have a true exhaust, but that's how good Dodge did with putting the EV Charger together. So this this 6-pack engine is a bit more raw, a bit more real, but I like both of them quite a bit. Now the ride quality itself, I mean, it's still pretty good. It's a sports car, it's performance oriented, so it's still somewhat stiff, but honestly, it drives like the Charger EV did again, and that was a pretty good driving car. I like how this feels. I like how it drives. It's a Charger. It feels like a Mustang. It feels like a Camaro, but in all the good ways, in my opinion. Now this engine choice, what makes it really interesting is it's an inline six. It's not like you have a V6, but it allows for those turbos to really put in work, and that's how you're able to get 550 horsepower out of a Scat Pack here. The V8 Scat Pack wasn't pushing that much in the outgoing Challenger, so I'm excited to give this thing a pull getting on the interstate. So I'm blessed and highly favored today. No one is around me at all, which never happens. But I'm gonna stop this thing and floor it. Here we go. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, that was enjoyable. Now I want to give one more thanks to Franklin Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Franklin, Tennessee for allowing me to review this car today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. I mean, ride quality is great on the interstate, relatively quiet. But yeah, where this thing really shines is going to be this. This powertrain is nuts, man. That, oh man, flooring that thing down the ramp was just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Just fantastic, so much fun, so much power there. It's just a freaking awesome car. Now for the money, you get just a solid car. I mean, it's almost 70 grand, but I'm not even tripping on that because this is a true sports car. Say what you will about it being a Charger. I think it brings a lot to the table. The performance is phenomenal. The looks are great. The interior feels premium. I just don't have anything to complain about with this car. It's more expensive than an older Scat Pack, yes, but you get so much more with this Scat Pack, and that's what you're paying for. And with 550 horsepower coming from a twin turbo inline six, I guarantee you will not be disappointed, even if you're coming from an old Scat Pack. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Dodge Charger Scat Pack Plus.